If you want to learn and finish the Easy Arabic course in short period of time, go to www.doortoknowledge.org and register. Jazakumullah khair.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 31.
In this lesson we will learn man, who. The meaning of man is who. Man, who. Man هذا, who is this? Man هذا, who is this? هذا رجل, this is a man. هذا رجل, this is a man. Man هذه, who is this? Man هذه, who is this? هذه امرأة, this is a woman. هذه امرأة, this is a woman. Man هو, who is he? Man هو, who is he? هو مدرس, he is a teacher. هو مدرس, he is a teacher. Man هي, who is her? Man هي, who is her? هي أم, she is a mother. هي أم, she is a mother. من في بيتك, who is in your house? من في بيتك, who is in your house? أبي في بيتي, my father is in my house. أبي في بيتي, my father is in my house. So note to remember, both ma and man are used to ask questions. Man can also be used for masculine and feminine, as ma is used. The difference is that man is used for humans and ma is used for things. So remember, man is used for humans and ma is used for things. For example, ما في يدك, what is in your hand? ما في يدك, what is in your hand? ما اسمك, what is your name? ما اسمك, what is your name? من أنت, who are you? من أنت, who are you? So let's see in the Quran. من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر, whosoever believes in Allah and in the last day. So man is who or whosoever. من آمن بالله, whoever believes in Allah, واليوم الآخر, and in the last day. ومن أوفى بأحده من الله, and who is truer to his covenant than Allah. Man is who. Man, who. ومن أوفى, and who is truer بأحده, to his covenant, من Allah, than Allah. قل من رب السماوات والأرض, say, who is Lord of the heavens and earth? Man, who. قل, say, من رب السماوات والأرض, who is Lord of the heavens and earth? Man is who. من عمل منكم سواء بجهالة ثم تاب من بعده وأصلح, who does wrong out of ignorance and then repents after that and corrects himself? Man, whoever. So man is used for who or whoever. Man, who.
And that is it for this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And ring the bell for the upcoming videos. It is your time to study now. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to study. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this from us. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wa salamun ala al-mursaleen. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.